Assalamualaikum kids. Good morning. Have you taken your breakfast? How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Thank you. So, today is English Day. So, we are going to learn about sea animals. What is sea animals? Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to start our lesson today? So let's go. Okay, kids, I have my blue goggles. So we are going to under the sea. We are going to swim under the sea so we can look very beautiful animals. Subhanallah, very beautiful kids. You can see? Wow, so big, very beautiful. Hi kids. The first one is turtle. Turtle. T for turtle. Turtle. Next one is shrimp. Shrimp. The next one is crab. C for crab. Crab. The next one is shark. Next is dolphin. D for dolphin. Okay, next is jellyfish. Jellyfish. J for jellyfish. Next is seahorse. Okay, next we have squid. The last one is starfish. Yay! So we have learned about sea animals. Very kind of sea animal. We have shrimp. We have crab. We have turtle. We have shark. We have jellyfish. And we have starfish. And last one is we have seahorse. So we are going to play again. Yay! Quiz time. Kanak-kanak boleh tekan link dekat bawah ni dan masukkan dekat kod. Kita akan buat quiz dekat Quizzes. Thank you kids. We have ended our lesson today. See you next time. Bye. Assalamualaikum.